Fantom at the time of this recording continues to hold above our key area of support between the 0.6851 and the $0.5956. And at the time of this recording, we have also continued to obey the Deriv structures. And on today's video, I will be discussing the most significant key areas of support that we need to continue holding above, discuss my Deriv structure, and also discuss my long-term price prediction analysis. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 4th of November. We started a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that peaked above the $0.84 in a move that I have been terming as an impulsive Deriv count 1. And after we peaked in that wave 1, we started a corrective structure in the formation of an Deriv count 2, whose minimum target areas I gave you by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area for the second wave between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, and that is between the 0.6846 and the 0.5957, the area that I have marked here on the charts using this red target area. And you can all see that we saw a pullback into the area, and we started a bit of a reaction to the upside in what could be the start of an impulsive Deriv count 3. And for us to get a confirmation that we are now getting impulsive in this wave 3, we need to see Fantom giving us a break above the high for this wave 1 above the $0.84. The moment that plays out, maybe with a retest, there are high chances that we are going to see an impulse to the upside in that wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the Fib level 1.618, and that is above the $1.1638. Then we can expect a short-term pullback in a wave 4, then continue pushing even higher in an Deriv count 5. We also need to have in mind that maybe we don't have a low in place for this wave 2, and whatever is playing out at the moment is an ABC corrective structure, where we can term this as a wave A. The bounce that is playing out at the moment could be a bounce in a wave B, before we can finally see one more new low in this wave C, fully maximizing our red target area. And that means that using the Fibonacci's connecting the fibs from the high of that wave A to the low of the wave A, we need to see a rejection within the area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78. So in case in the next coming hours we see a rejection within this yellow target area that I have marked here on the chart, I will be expecting one more new low in a wave C to fully maximize our red target area. But if by any chance we manage to break to the upper side of this target area and also manage to break above the $0.84, then expect an impulse to the upside in this wave 3, getting us back above the dollar mark. So that is all I'm expecting on the short term. Jumping to the 4-hour chart, where I have this Deriv structure that I have been tracking from the lows that we made on the 5th of August. You can all see that we first peaked in this 5-wave structure in a move that completed the formation of this wave 1. Then we saw a corrective structure in a wave 2, a wave 3, then a wave 4, and finally peaked to the upside in a wave 5 in a move that gave us a high above the $0.79, completing an even larger Deriv count 1. And having seen the formation of a larger Deriv count 1, I was expecting a corrective structure in a wave 2, where we saw a corrective structure which gave us a reaction of this target area over here, and started an even larger Deriv count 3 that I believe is what is playing out at the moment. And the minimum target areas for this larger Deriv count 3 can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the $1.3997. So that is all I'm expecting on the Fantom chart on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.